Did you know that these features come standard on all new Mazdas? Hey guys, it's Nathan here at Russ Darrow Greenfield Mazda. Today I'm going to highlight a few convenient safety features that all new Mazdas have to offer. Mazda's Skyactiv technology offers drivers to ensure better safety on the road. Up front on the Mazda badge is the radar sensor for distance spacing cruise control, which will keep you at a specified distance from the car in front of you. Up top is the camera that detects lane departure and will vibrate your steering wheel if you deviate from your lane. On your side mirrors, you'll find the blind spot monitoring system, which will light up if someone is in your blind spot and will give you an audible warning if someone is there. On the back of the car is the backup camera, which has rear cross traffic alert, which will give you a warning if someone or something is in your way while you're backing up. If you'd like to learn about any more safety features, please stop by at Russ Darrow Greenfield Mazda. We'll see you soon.